You mentioned that you've had a cough that's lasted for about 4 weeks now, and because it's been so persistent, it would be best for you to go to the doctor and get checked out. There's lots of different things that can cause a chronic cough. Smoking can, irritants in the air, allergies, asthma, and infections. There's other explanations as well, so the doctor can ask you more specific questions, perform an exam, and then decide if treatment is warranted. If you have any other questions for me in the future, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms, and recommend us to your friends and family too.